Welcome to our channel. If you're ready to verify your Bigo live streamer account and start broadcasting to a global audience, follow these comprehensive step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Download the Bigo Live app from the App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your smartphone. Step 2. Open the Bigo Live app and tap Sign Up to create your broadcaster account using your phone number, email, or social media accounts. Step 3. If using phone number registration, enter your mobile number and wait for Bigo Live to send you a verification code via SMS. Step 4. Enter the verification code sent to your phone to confirm your mobile number and proceed with account creation. Step 5. If using email registration, check your inbox for a verification email from Bigo Live and click the confirmation link to verify your email address. Step 6. Create your streamer profile by choosing a username, uploading a profile picture, and writing a bio that describes your content and streaming style. Step 7. To become an official broadcaster and access monetization features, navigate to the Official Broadcaster Application section in the app settings. Step 8. Fill out the Official Broadcaster application by providing personal information, content plans, and your streaming schedule and goals. Step 9. Upload required verification documents, which may include a government-issued photo ID and a selfie for identity verification purposes. Step 10. Wait for Bigo Live to review your official broadcaster application. The review process typically takes several days, and you'll receive a notification about the decision. Step 11. Once approved as an official broadcaster, set up your payment information to receive earnings from virtual gifts, diamonds, and other monetization features. Step 12. Complete any additional verification steps required for your region, such as tax forms or additional identity verification, to fully activate monetization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.